Hey everyone, for those of you that are new to the channel, this is Bernardo. Welcome to Tech Life Therapy. This is video 18 of week 6 of our tech therapy sessions. And today, what is in the box? Well, stay tuned so I can show you. Alright, so today's the last day I open up a box or do an unboxing with my wife's kitchen knives. I'm sure that she's going to love that. So let's get right to it. Let's open this up. As I mentioned, this is a 3-in-1 power bank flashlight knife that I picked up on Amazon from Nebo. Alright. So again, 3-in-1. This is a 2200 milliamp power bank with a 400 lumen rechargeable LED flashlight. And it's also a 3-inch foldable stainless steel blade. So if you're looking just to have an all-in-one utility knife that it's a little bit more than just a knife, this is it. This is what you want to pick up. So the first thing is I've already watched an unboxing video on Amazon, which tells me you have to be very careful when you open up this package, because this knife is very sharp. So what comes in the box? Okay, you've got the knife, obviously, which we'll go through it. You've got a charging cable, which you can use to charge up the actual power bank. And if you do have an Android device with a micro USB, you'll be able to use this cable for both, okay? Both for charging this device and both for charging your device. It does not come with an actual wall plug or a power bank for the wall, so you'll have to pick up one of those laying around the house, okay? And there is also this little wrist guard that you can put on there for you to obviously hang it from somewhere, maybe clip it on a bag. All right, but we're gonna push this aside, and we're gonna push this aside as well, as this is a very common cable. So again, very important. It's important that you are careful when you're opening this knife. It's very sharp. It does come with a little guard here, a plastic guard that's gonna help you protect yourself when you're opening and closing it if you decide to keep it, okay? This is very well made, very sturdy. Again, this comes from Nebo, and this is the Pal Plus. So let's go through some of its features. All right, so if we look here in the back, if I'm not mistaken, we've got the actual USB adapters. So here in the back, you've got your micro USB adapter. That's gonna be what you plug in to charge the device. And then you've got your USB device entrance, where this is what you're gonna use to charge your own device. Now let's have a little look. I have my iPhone. Let's see if this thing is already charged out of the box. Oh, so there you go. So if you plug it into your device, what happens is that it turns blue when it's charging your device, okay? So instantly it picked up my iPhone and it's charging. When you do plug it into a wall for you to get power into the power bank, you're gonna get a red light instead of a blue light, letting you know that it's charging, okay? Now when the power bank is fully drained, it's going to take you about 4 to 5 hours for you to recharge it and for you to get it ready for you to recharge your devices. Okay, so let's move into some of the features of turning on that flashlight. So for the time being, we're gonna close this knife, which let's figure it out how to close it. There's gotta be a button somewhere for us to close the knife, which I don't see. All right, so for now we're gonna keep this knife open because I don't know where that is. All right, so if you want to turn on the light, you're gonna push on this little N right above the Nebo name. Okay, and that's going to turn on that light. All right, and what this can actually do, it's smart. So if I was to hold that logo, it actually dims the light. I don't know if you can see in the video, but it dims the light up and down. And if you dim it all the way down, okay, you get about 40 lumens when you dim it all the way down. And whatever you leave it at, whatever brightness you leave it at, the flashlight will remember it, okay? So at 400 lumens, this thing can last anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. At 40 lumens, this will last you about 13 hours, according to the Nebo team, okay? And another great feature of the flashlight, if you want to use this, is if you double click it, you end up getting that flash mechanism, okay? And then if you click it once, you shut it off. If you click it again, it turns it on, okay? And if you're looking to get one of these and perhaps you fly a lot, another great feature is they make it very easy for you to remove this actual blade. So if you're going through TSA, you can actually take the blade out and you could fly with the device and the blade packed somewhere else, and you don't have to worry about TSA giving you trouble for you to carrying this knife with you. All right, so again, if you're looking for a knife that's a 3-in-1 with a little bit of tech in it, this is super cool. I'm gonna start using it for my unboxing. So this is a great to-go, device if you're looking for something like this. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I will link this in the description below. It cost me just about $20 on Amazon, so if you're looking to pick one up, keep in mind this is not a video that was sponsored. I purchased this knife with my own money, so hopefully it helped you, and you help me back by hitting that subscribe button and that like button. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.